Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Callie. Happy birthday to you. Is that yummy?
Your new book is called, you're the co-author of a new book called The Great Decision.
Here, you take one.
Marshall and the Battle of That's as much as I read. Now,
Callie.
understanding is this about Marbury versus Madison.
Oops.
Tell people why that's significant.
Marbury versus Madison is the case where the
Callie, happy birthday, baby. Is that good cupcake?
established that the Supreme Court had.
Someone's got a sweet tooth like mommy.
The Supreme Court has that power.
Well, it's in the structure of the Constitution, is what John
Where
Marshall
are the
said.
words in the Constitution where it says the Supreme Court has that power?
It doesn't have that
So the
power.
Supreme Court is unconstitutional.
No, it's not.
Don't we need a Supreme Court?
Oh my gosh, you ate a big hunk out of it. Don't take too big of a bite, honey.
Thought that the Supreme Court did not have the power to declare laws unconstitutional. Thomas Jefferson bitterly opposed that power. Marbury versus Madison is the great decision.
Look at her, she's cramming it in her mouth.
Cornerstone
You
of
almost
the
whole thing already.
So at that point, the Supreme Court sort of invested
Let's give her
itself.
some water or something.
Yeah, you want to give her some milk? She can have milk. Grab a hat so it shouldn't get it dirty. We have to say that for this weekend.
Who cares? It's her hat.
I know, but it's this weekend too.
Hey, want some milk? No.
Is the original activist judge.
No, John.
Legislating for the bench.
No, hey. Little break. Little break. Little break, sweetheart. Let's get a little milk in there.
Great Chief Justice who really chiseled our system
In grab for power, your idea of great. That means George Bush is the greatest president of all time.
Is that a good cupcake?
I would not. And John Marshall established the rule of law. And, you know,
What was happening before that? Were we just monkeys trading coconuts? What do you mean?
Battery's dead.
Battery's dead. That's okay. We got a good. You got a few, huh?
Yeah.
said that Marbury versus Madison is the
Oh, she's
greatest
eating that whole thing.
Americans ever made to the and Justice Sandra Day O'Connor said that because of Marbury
You're
versus
crazy.
Madison, individuals have
Maybe we
You're
should take it
crazy.
away.
that no political
Oh,
authority
let her
can
finish
take
it.
away. And nations around the world look to Marbury versus Madison to establish this rule of law.
Careful, she's gonna throw up.
Throw it.
Take it away.
It's just a cupcake.
He made these last-minute midnight appointments, which really bugged Jefferson.
They stacked the deck in all the
Yes,
courts.
yeah. Adams way out. That's right. Adams was packing the court and packing the federal government with all of his appointees. He said
You want more milk?
his last night in the White House.
That's enough.